Hey guys, how's it going? Today is gonna be more so of kind of like a vlog adventure. I'm gonna be by myself today, and it's actually my birthday, so yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna probably show you some caves today. I'm thinking I might check out some other spots. I honestly don't really know where today is gonna go, so we're just gonna see how it goes and what we see, I guess. Let's go. Alrighty, just got some fire donuts. Can't wait to smash some of these. Ooh. Alright guys, made it to the first destination, getting all my stuff all geared up, and then we're gonna hit the cave, I think.
Alright guys, I found this drain. I don't know what it's called, but taking you guys on a little adventure. This is my first stop of the day. I don't know how much of this you're actually gonna be able to hear. The water is pretty loud, but I'm not gonna go very far. I think you can go further. This is cool. Alright, so I don't know what part of this is, but I just went past the waterfall. Maybe I can zoom in a little bit. But it looks like we're in an old, like, sandstone drain of some sort. It doesn't look like the water flows through here at all. Wow, that's intriguing. Yeah, I think we're gonna go check it out. Alright guys. Don't know where this leads. I know there's a cave over here, but I really don't know where this leads to. But we're checking it out together. Oh, it's definitely getting tighter in here. I don't think it leads to anything, honestly. No, it doesn't look like it. Alright. Making our way out of here. Ow. Oh, fuck. Man, this pipe is not easy to walk on. I'll tell you that much. It's fucking slippery in here.
sorry about the flashlight. Alright, we're on the main passage now. Alright, well, switch flashlights, upgraded to the headlamp. Now we're going. Oh man, walking back here just like hurts your back. There's another tunnel. I don't know if that one leads to anything either though. It's kind of the thing. Yeah, like that one looks like it just kind of goes all the way up there, it stops. These things must have been connected to something at some point. I think it's just a dead end, it looks like. Yup. I honestly don't know if I should keep going. I think I'm gonna come back here another day and maybe try to show you guys the rest of it. But like I said, today's just gonna be a vlog video. It's gonna be just, I guess, whatever I go do today. But I think we're gonna go check out a cave next. There should be a cave just right over here as well, in this area. Guys, we're getting out of here on this stuff.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food.
Alright guys, here in Minneapolis or St. Paul right now. I'm at the Hidden Falls Regional Park. Gonna maybe see if I can find the waterfalls, and there's some other hidden gems here that probably nobody else would ever tell you about, so let's go.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. 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 Today's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education.
Nice, cool,
I
huge
try to do
fire
this
pit. This would be
every day,
awesome.
Call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
This is the Hidden Falls. It's actually my first time being up here. I've never been back here. It's pretty cool.
Sometimes I'm high, other times
a cool little trail.
I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I
Well, I was gonna try to show you guys more of like the trail. There's supposed to be like a tunnel over here. It was completely flooded, so I think I'm gonna have to go around. I don't even think I can get across. Gonna cross just this little stream over here.
Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation.
Oh! Fuck.
I live my life in my head like a narration.
Alright, hopefully I can make it over there. Otherwise, I know there's another way I can make it around. Alright guys, it looks like I made it to the other side of the flooding. But I hope it doesn't stop up here. Yeah, you can see how bad it is. That's all walkable usually too, because the river is like a little bit ways up there, but so just out for a nice stroll though. It's actually really nice outside. Alright guys, we are inside another like cave or a tunnel, if you'd say. This one is actually connected to the Ford steam plant. I've actually made a video on this place, so if you want to watch a video of the actual building, you can do that on my channel. I probably will not be going into the building itself today because I've been in there myself, but wanted to come and check out this tunnel because I heard about it and I knew I missed it, so wanted to come see what it's like. I wonder how far it goes back. It almost looks like it ends up here. Maybe not too big. Wonder what it was used for. This goes back quite a ways. There's like little graffiti in here too, which is actually nice. Huh. Can't tell if that's ice or not. Almost sounds like it's dripping back here. I wonder if there's water. Alright, well, I can almost barely see the entrance, but we're still going. It's been a day of exploring, that's for sure. Oh my god, I think that's a dead raccoon. It is, it's a dead raccoon. I really hoping I don't find a fucking live one in here. That'd be kind of sketch, actually. I don't want to have to fucking punt a raccoon. Oh my god, I think it's another one. It is. It's another dead raccoon. Man, this is wild. I can still hear water, so it sounds like something's dripping back here. Alright guys. I don't know, I think I found the end. I don't really want to go walk through this water just to see, but I might have to though. There's a ladder over there. It looks like it leads to something. It might be too deep, but I think I'm gonna have to come back here too. It's another spot that probably gonna have to make a revisit, check out the full thing. So I don't know if there's anything else past there. Okay, this is really, really sad, but yeah, like, it's a dead raccoon. It's probably been in here for a while too. Really glad I didn't find an alive one though. Looks like I made it to the end now. It goes on for quite a ways, and I didn't even get to make it to the end there. It was a little flooded, but like I said, I'm gonna have to make a comeback to this place, and you'll get to see it again. Wow, look at that. There's a fucking heroine needle right there on the ground. That's what I would assume it's used for. Wow, that's crazy. I'm glad I just saw that. I'm right next to the Ford steam plant. I don't think I'm gonna go inside though. Just kind of looking at it from the outside. I've already been in here. Like I said, I've made a video on this place too, so like if you want to watch it, go check it out. You bet.
Step 4. Everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Alright guys, sure you can hear the rush of the water. Gonna go check out a waterfall real quick, then maybe another spot, but we'll see. Cool.
Alright guys, we finally made it in. I'm in the hospital that I've been telling you guys about. This had to have been like the kitchen area. Alright guys, so I just wanted to add this little video at the end. Talk about some of these books that I've been reading lately. If you don't know who Greg Brick is, you should definitely check him out. He is a geologist from Minnesota, and he's kind of like the OG like urban explorer from Minnesota. He's made a few books, which a few of them that I am reading, kind of like the Subterranean Twin Cities, Minnesota Underground, and then Minnesota Caves, History and Lore. They don't necessarily show you exactly like where the caves are, because they definitely are dangerous to explore, but they kind of offer you like some tips. And I mean, there's a lot of history in these books about like the caves, like really anything that you could want to know. But yeah, so like if you definitely don't know who Greg Brick is, I would definitely check him out. He's made some cool videos, kind of like the Tunnel of Terror, like what it was like in the past. And alright guys, and then lastly I just wanted to say thanks for watching the videos. Make sure you like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more content coming. My next video is going to be on the hospital, which you definitely saw, and let's go.